Imagine turning your passion for gaming into a full-time income. What if every hour you spent playing could actually put money in your pocket? Gaming isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry filled with opportunities. In this video, I'm going to show you real, proven ways to make money from gaming, whether you're a casual player, an esports competitor, or a content creator. And by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start profiting from the games you already love. So, stick around, because you might just be sitting on a gold mine without even realizing it. For years, people believed gaming was a waste of time, something that wouldn't get you anywhere in life. But today, it's the complete opposite. Some of the wealthiest and most influential people in the world make their money from video games. Yet, most gamers don't know how to break into the industry. They feel stuck playing for fun but not seeing any financial rewards. They ask, how do I turn this into real income? That's exactly what we're solving today. I'll break down the best strategies to make money with gaming, some you've heard of, others you probably haven't considered yet. Let's get into it. 1. Streaming and content creation. Monetizing your passion. Streaming platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Kick have made it possible to turn gaming into a career. The key is building an audience that wants to watch you play, not just the game itself. Successful streamers make money through ads revenue from Twitch and YouTube ads, subscriptions and memberships, paid subscribers who support the channel, donations, fans tipping during live streams, sponsorships, brands paying to feature their products. But here's the truth. Streaming is competitive. If you want to succeed, you need entertaining commentary, a strong personality, and a consistent schedule. One example? Ludwig started streaming casually but later used strategic giveaways, engaging content, and unique challenges to grow exponentially. If he can do it, so can you with the right approach. 2. Esports and competitive gaming. Turning skills into cash. Esports is exploding, with prize pools reaching millions of dollars. If you're highly skilled in games like League of Legends, Fortnite, or Valorant, there's serious money to be made. Ways to make money in esports. Tournament winnings. Compete in official competitions. Sponsorships. Brands love skilled players with audiences. Coaching. Train aspiring players for a fee. But here's the catch. You need dedication and practice. Becoming a pro isn't just about talent, it's about mastering mechanics, learning strategies, and constantly improving. A great example? Booga, who won $3 million in the Fortnite World Cup at just 16 years old. If you're willing to grind, this could be a real career. 3. Game testing and quality assurance. Getting paid to play. Did you know game developers pay people to find bugs? Game testers work behind the scenes, ensuring new titles are polished before release. This is a great way to make money if you love analyzing games. The work involves finding bugs and glitches, testing different in-game mechanics, reporting issues to developers. Major studios like EA, Ubisoft, and Blizzard constantly hire testers. The pay varies, but experienced testers can earn $20 to $30 per hour. A good place to start? Sites like Playtest Cloud and beta testing let you test games for money even without prior experience. 4. Freelancing in the gaming world. Graphics, coding, and more. If you're creative or have technical skills, you can freelance for gaming companies and creators. Here's how. Design logos and graphics. Every streamer needs overlays and thumbnails. Create game mods. Some modders make thousands selling popular mods. Develop custom game assets, skins, animations, and 3D models. Write gaming content, game guides, reviews, and blog posts. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are full of gaming-related gigs. The best part? You don't have to be a pro gamer, just someone with a useful skill. 5. Selling in-game items and virtual goods. Many games have digital economies where in-game items can be worth real money. You can profit from selling rare skins in games like CS:GO and Fortnite. Rare skins sell for thousands. Flipping in-game currency. Games like GTA Online and World of Warcraft have black markets for in-game cash. NFT gaming. Some blockchain games allow players to earn crypto through digital assets. A great example? A Dragon Lore AWP skin in CS:GO once sold for over $60,000. If you know the market, there's money to be made. 6. Creating and selling your own games. If you've ever dreamed of making a game, now is the time. Tools like Unity and Unreal Engine allow small developers to create and sell games on platforms like Steam and the App Store. Even simple games can be profitable. Flappy Bird was made by one developer and earned $50,000 a day before it was removed from the App Store. If you have coding skills or are willing to learn, game development can be a long-term source of passive income. 7. Affiliate marketing and gaming sponsorships. If you have an audience, you can earn money without selling anything yourself. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote gaming gear and earn commissions, Amazon, Razer, etc. Share game deals and get a cut when people buy. Partner with brands to showcase their products. Some YouTubers and streamers make thousands per month just by recommending gaming laptops, chairs, or accessories. It's a passive way to monetize your influence. Gaming is no longer just entertainment, it's an industry full of opportunities. The only difference between those who make money and those who don't? Taking action. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Imagine looking back a year from now, knowing you built an income from something you truly love. It's not just possible, it's happening for thousands of gamers already. Success in gaming isn't about luck, it's about strategy, consistency, and knowing where the money is. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these methods will you try first. And before you go, check the description and pinned comment for exclusive resources that will help you get started. Since you stayed this long, YouTube has handpicked the next best video for you. It's on the screen now. Click it, and I'll see you there.